So good morning everyone. So till now we have learned three formulas. So what are that formulas? That is area of square, area of a square. So what is area of a square? That is S into S. Area of a rectangle. What is area of a rectangle formula? That is the length into breadth. And also we have learned about area of a parallelogram. So what is area of a parallelogram formula? That is base into height. So this is area of a parallelogram formula. So now we are discussing about area of triangle. So how to find area of a triangle we will see. Area of triangle. So how we got this area of a triangle formula we will see. So I am taking one parallelogram here. Okay, so this is parallelogram. So now already we know that what is area of a parallelogram, that is base into height. So the area of this parallelogram is base into height. Okay, now this parallelogram I am dividing into, I am drawing one diagonal for this. This is a diagonal for this parallelogram. So what is this? This is a diagonal. Okay, so after dividing this with this parallelogram with diagonal, this has been converted into two parts. Okay, so it has been converted into two parts. That is the first rectangle. First part is also a rectangle. Second part is also a, sorry, not a rectangle. So first part is a triangle and second part is also a triangle. Okay, so now this has been, if I take this part, it is like this. So this is half of parallelogram, is it right? So this is a half part of this parallelogram. So what is the area? What is the area of this triangle will be half of parallelogram. So what is parallelogram formula? Parallelogram formula is half of, how of is nothing but multiplication, and parallelogram formula is base into height. So what is the formula here? Area is equals to half into base into height is the area of a triangle. So once again you see, so I am drawing one, I am taking one parallelogram here. I am dividing this parallelogram into two parts with the help of diagonal. So this is a first triangle, this is second triangle. Okay, I am taking only one part here. So I am taking only one part. So this part is what? This part is half of this parallelogram. This is the half part in this parallelogram. So what will be the formula? This triangle is, the area of this triangle will be half of this parallelogram. So it will be area is equals to half of is nothing but multiplication, and parallelogram formula is what? Base into height. So what is the formula? Half into base into height is the area of a parallelogram. So we have learned now till 4 formulas. So what are that formulas? One is area of a square, that is S into S. Area of a rectangle is L into B. Area of a parallelogram is base into height. And now we got the area of a triangle, that is half into base into height. So by using this area of a triangle formula, we are going to start our exercise now. So what is that exercise? Next exercise is exercise 3. Exercise 3. So first one in that, exercise 3, first one. So what we have to find? We have to find the area of each of the following triangles. So they have given some triangles. We have to find the area for that. So first bit, find the area of each of the following triangles. Okay, so first figure is, it is in this form. Here it is perpendicular symbol 5 centimeters and this is 8 centimeters. Okay, so what we have to find? We have to find area of a triangle. So area of a triangle is equals to that is half into base into height. Okay, so what is the base value? Base value, where you are seeing the perpendicular symbol, that will become a height value, and the perpendicular base will be a base value. So this one is base and this is height now. So what is the area of a triangle? Area of triangle is half into base into height. So area is equals to, half is a constant value, base value is 5 centimeters and height value is 8 centimeters. So we can cancel here 2 ones are 2 fours are. So what is remaining? That is a 5 into 4, centimeter into centimeter will be centimeter square. So area will be 20 centimeter square. So this is our first bit. So therefore what you got? Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is equals to 20 centimeter square. So this is our first bit. Okay. So second bit, it is in this form. This is 4 centimeters and this is 6 centimeters. Again we have to find the area here. Okay, so where, what I told, where a perpendicular symbol has been formed, that will be a height, and this will be a, where it has been attached, that will be a base value. So this is a height value and this is a base value. So area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. So area will be half into, what is the base value? 6 centimeters into height value is 4 centimeters. So cancel it, 2 ones are 2 threes are. So A is equals to 3 centimeters into 4 centimeters. That is A is equals to 12 centimeter square. So what we got? We got area of a triangle is equals to 12 centimeter square. So this is our second one. Okay, next one is, so what is next figure? It is in this form. This is a dotted line and here it is forming a perpendicular symbol. So it is a 5.4 centimeters and this is 7.5 centimeters. So height value is 7.5 and base value is 5.4 centimeters. Now what we have to find? Area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. Okay, so area is equals to, half is a constant value and base value is how much? 5.4 centimeters into 7.5 centimeters. So how much you will get now? 2 ones are 2.7 is 5.4. Okay, now you can multiply this. That will be how much? 2.7 into 7.5. 7 5s will be 35, 10 it will be 13, 7 7s is 49, 7 2s are 14, that will be 18. 5, 12, 10, that will be 20.25 centimeters square. So you got the area of a triangle as area of triangle is equals to 20.25 centimeters square. So this is our third problem. Okay, so next is last one in this bit, first bit. So fourth one is, what is the figure? It is a obtuse angle triangle and where a perpendicular symbol is forming here. So this is a height, this is a base. So height they have given as 4 centimeters and base they have given as 6 centimeters. Okay, so now we have to find area of a triangle. Area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. So area is equals to half into, what is the base value? Base value is 6 and height value is 4 centimeters. So A is equals to, what you can cancel here? 2 1s are 2 3s are. So that will be 3 centimeters into 4 centimeters. A will be 3 4s are 12. Centimeter into centimeter will be centimeter square. So you got area of triangle is equals to 12 centimeter square. So this is our last bit in the first one. Okay, first question. So next one we are going to solve the next one now. So this is our first bit, only applying the formulas for given figure. So what is second one? In triangle PQR, PQ is equals to 4 centimeters, PR is equals to 8 centimeters, RT is equals to 6 centimeters. The area we have to find area of a triangle, and a length of QS is also we have to find. So what is the figure here? We will see. Okay. A perpendicular line is formed here and here also. So this is 8 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 4 centimeters. This is T, P, S, R, Q. Okay, so this is the given figure. So we have to find now area of a triangle. So for finding area of a triangle, so what is area of a triangle formula? Area of a triangle is equals to half into base into height. So if you want to find this area of a triangle value, you want both this base value as well as height value. You want base and height values, both values you want. So in this figure, where you are seeing both height and base value, we have to see. Only by using that base and height, we have to first find area of a triangle. After that, remaining one we can find. Okay, so if you take this figure, this QS value they didn't give. So this is a height 1. Sorry, I am taking first you see this. They have given RT value as 6 centimeters. So this is a height 1. And for this height, this is a base. So this is B1 I am taking. So here you are having height value as well as base value. So if you take this perpendicular line, so QS value we don't know. So I am taking this as H2. This value we don't know. But base value we know. That is B2. So what I told, where you are seeing the height and base together, two values if you know, then only you can find area of a triangle. So here you are seeing this value also, this height value also we know, and this base value also we know. So by using these two lines, these two values, first we have to find area of a triangle. So after you are getting the area of a triangle, we can find this height value. Okay, so first what we have to write, first what they have given the information, you write that. So they have given that, given triangle PQR, and they have given that PQ is equals to 4 centimeters and PR is equals to 8 centimeters and RT is 6 centimeters. First we will write RT is equals to 6 centimeters, and next one they have given as PR is equals to 8 centimeters. Okay, so by using what we have to find, we have to find QS value. So QS is a height 2. Okay, QS we have to find, and this is base 2, this is base 1, and this is height 1. Okay, so by using these informations, we have to find area of a triangle. So first I am using only this part. Only these two lines I am taking, because we don't know this height value, so I am not taking these two parts. So first I am taking this height and this base, that is base 1 and height 1, where you are seeing the perpendicular line for this height. This is the perpendicular symbol, and what is the perpendicular symbol, what is the base for this perpendicular symbol? This part. That's why I am using only these two parts. Okay, now by using these two I am going to find area of a triangle. So what is area of a triangle formula? Area of triangle is equals to half into base 1 into base 2. I am taking for differentiating because we are having two heights and two bases. Okay, so now area is equals to half is a constant value. Base 1 is how much? 4 centimeters, and height 2 is how much? 6 centimeters. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. So A is equals to, you got it as 4 centimeters into 3 centimeters. That is area is equals to 12 centimeter square. Okay, so here till now you got you have found area of a triangle. So area of a triangle you got it as 12 centimeter square. Now by using this we have to find this QS value. Okay, so for finding the area we want base value and height value. Okay, we got area now. Now what we have to find? We have to find this height value. This height value we want. So for finding this height value, we want base and area of a triangle. Okay, so for finding this height value, we want base value and area of a triangle. So base value already we know, area of a triangle value also we got now. So by using these two informations, we are going to find this QS now. Okay, so now area of a triangle we know. So PR is equals to 8 centimeters we know, and QS is a height 2 we have to find. Okay, so apply the formula now. Area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. So area how much you got? That is 12 centimeters square is equals to half is a constant value, base values is B2 and H2. So base 2 is how much? Base 2 is 8 centimeters and H2 we have to find. Okay, so now 2 1s are 2 4s are. So how much you got now? That is 12 centimeters square is equals to 4 centimeters into H2 we got. Okay, now I am transposing this 4 to other side, so it will be H2 is equals to 12 centimeters square by 4 centimeters. Centimeter will get cancelled. 4 1s are, 4 3s are is 12. So height value how much you got? 3 centimeters. So H2 value is how much? 3 centimeters. So H2 is nothing but QS. So QS value you got it as 3 centimeters. So this is our second solution. So if you know any one of the value, so we can find other value. So what I have given, once again listen here. So which two values they have given here? Base value, height value we know, and base value you know. So by using these two, first we are finding area of a triangle, that is 12 centimeters square. By applying the formula I got 12 centimeters square. Now what we have to find? We have to find this QS value. So how to find the QS value? QS is nothing but height. So I want to find this height. So remaining values I want. What is that? Base value I want, and area of a triangle also I want. So area of a triangle is equals to half into base 2 into height 2. So area of a triangle already we know it as 12 centimeters square. Base value we know it at 8 centimeters. Height we are going to find. Okay, so 12 1s are, 12 4s are. So transpose that 4 to other side. That will be in the form of division because it is in the form of multiplication. So centimeter will get cancelled. 4 1s are, 4 3s are. So height 2 is how much? 3 centimeters. Height 2 is nothing but what here? QS. So QS is equals to 8 centimeters we got. So remaining problems will continue in next class. Thank you.